The government just announced a 4-day lockdown. We were already in lockdown, so now we are double lockdown, which makes us all very bad situations. Anyway, I have to go back to the veterinary shop that I went to the other day. I need to pick up cat food. Both my cats are out of food. I should have done this last time, but I don't know, it just slipped my mind. I keep forgetting that we are under lockdown and the situation is dire. Back at the veterinary store right now, need to pick up cat food. Yeah, there's a lot of people there. But finally, after so much of panic, everything has finished picking this up. There's still quite a few people, a lot of people here right now are doing a lot of panic shopping. There is a lot of chaos that is there, but people are trying to maintain some kind of distance, some kind of personal space, everything. So by the way, from my place to here, there were at least like 6-7 detours. So they've just shut down roads, they've just shut down quite a few areas. So I had to keep going around and around. Okay, so I had to stop on the side of the road. There is something that is coming that looks very dangerous, and I don't really want to get wet in it. Check that out, check that out. Hey, dog food, cat food, cat food, cat food. This is ridiculously insane. And I'm getting sprayed. Nothing I can do about it. Gadi is now completely wet. There's some kind of weird smell to the water itself. I think it's got chlorine or I don't know, something. It just smells very weird. Oh my god, that stinks. Good morning everybody. It is about 5 o'clock in the morning right now. I had to come outside because it just started raining, and man oh man, what rain. Damal, dumil. Everything started hitting each other. The windows were banging against the frames. The doors were closing. It seemed like a horror movie because my cats jumped on me and woke me up, and it is insane. But on the other hand, I think this is absolutely amazing. This is exactly what everybody needs, at least to pick up the mood a little bit, just to get a little bit more joy out of the situation, because whenever it rains, everybody is always happy. And I do not want to talk about the lack of water, the same issue we had last year. If we end up in that kind of a situation again, then it is going to be extremely bad for everybody. As it is, everybody is frustrated. On top of that, the lack of water might cause a lot of other problems. So I just hope it rains and rains and rains. I'm going to go back to sleep now. Bye bye. By the way, both of them jumped straight on my head and went like meow because of the rain. No? He is used to the rain a little more than she is. Oh. Rain. Do you know when you talk a little too soon and then the universe decides to punish you? I bet that's happened to almost everybody. But just as you think that it might get a little better, you might feel a little better, everything might seem a little better. No electricity. Just poured myself a nice hot cup of coffee. The electricity just came back, so I'm going to go charge my cell phone, charge all the other things, because you never know when it's going to go off again. Good and the bad come together. What do? But right now, enjoy the most of it. Let me say, the amount of energy that you have the following day when you sleep the previous night, have a really good sleep, is absolutely insane. I have 100 ideas flowing through my head right now. It is absolutely ridiculous the amount of energy that I have just with one night's really good sleep. I sleep about 3 hours a day on a general day, but last night was absolutely crazy. 8, 9, 10 hours. I think I got some really good sleep. There is just so much of energy built inside me right now. Saying that, my next video will be a small little talk on cell phone photography. So if you guys do want to listen to that, I say stay tuned. It's coming up pretty soon. I'm writing a script now for that particular thing, seeing what exactly we can talk about, what we can't talk about, on how exactly to give you like a really quick tutorial on how to take really good pictures with your cell phone. And a lot of people have been calling me up and asking me, Abhay, how do you do this? How do you shoot food? I am predominantly a food photographer. So a lot of people have been calling me up and saying, Abhay, how do you shoot food in your house? And how do we do this and how do we do that? What kind of stuff can we use in and around the house? So next video is going to be on food photography at home. What's up guys, today is Monday the 27th and yesterday was an absolutely peaceful day. Being Sunday, there was not one leaf moving, nothing was moving outside, everything was absolutely static. And so I slept throughout the day and I didn't do any recording and stuff like that. But what I do want to say is the weather has been amazing for the past couple of days. This is like really good weather outside, but unfortunately everybody's stuck inside. But not to worry, things might change pretty soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully everything changes pretty soon. Oh, I forgot to tell you, workouts have absolutely stopped for the past couple of days. I've only been eating and sleeping, and so I've put on a little weight. It is time to get into a schedule and I need to start working out, otherwise it's going to be a bad scene. I'll go from like 6-pack abs to like, yeah, that cannot happen. That cannot happen in any circumstance. Focus has to be maintained. I know, pretty tough. All the Netflix is spoiling me, all the Amazon Prime is spoiling me. There are just like so many distractions because you're sitting at home and doing absolutely nothing, can't go out too much, so outdoor activities have come to an end. Netflix has taken over my life and I've been watching Netflix till about 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Something called Ragnarok. I think I saw the entire season at one shot. It was only like a 7-episode season or something like that. I saw it like at one go, straight back to back. Editing on the other hand has been good. The other channel has been doing pretty well. A lot of other new recipes, a lot of other new cooking has been happening on the side. So with that channel, a friend of mine does cooking on the side and I do a lot of shooting for that. So do check out the other channel as well and I will get back to you guys later. So for the past couple of days I've been cooking some amazing dishes and today I'm trying to make a Spanish omelette. So I think I have gotten a little better with my cooking skills in the kitchen. I have no other option. There is no delivery going on. There is nothing else. So you might as well make something nice for yourself. Sometimes all it needs is just that one onion. So when you're cutting it and it's really pungent, start crying. I kind of like the feeling though. So I think my passion for cooking started off pretty young. There used to be this guy called Yan Can Cook on Star Plus or one of the Star TV channels. This was when I was in first standard, second standard. So it used to be almost like a family event where everybody gathered around the TV at that point of time and watched a cooking show. And then a lot of times we used to try out the recipes. So my mom would take me into the kitchen where then we would just sit and try to replicate. Most of the time I really liked cutting and chopping up stuff for some reason, even as a kid. So that's how I think my passion for food started and it's always continued. So you pull out a plate from your amazing cabinet shelf and then you set it up over there and then you put the food on it and then the food looks absolutely delicious. It just makes you want to dive in there and then you get like a really nice smell of it and then you just get into that urge of absolutely wanting to eat it right now, that you actually go ahead and start eating it without taking a picture or without talking about it or without sharing your complete experience. Well, that is what happened to me in this particular video. So I'm really sorry about that and I will definitely make it a point to share my next particular dish, which is worth sharing with you guys. Saying that, bye for now, take care. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed.